What's the meaning of awoken? Awoken. Awoken.
Awoken. Awoken. The word awoken is the past participle form of the verb awake. It means to become conscious or aware after a period of sleep or inactivity. When someone is awoken, they are abruptly brought out of a state of unconsciousness or unawareness and into a state of alertness and consciousness. This can happen naturally, such as waking up from a night's sleep, or it can be caused by an external stimulus like an alarm clock or a loud noise. In both cases, the person who is awoken becomes fully aware and alert.